Robert's Corner. And today, I don't know what the challenge is, so we will be seeing. So let's see what happens, and the camera's a little messy, so let's see what will happen. Oh! What the heck was... What was that? That didn't hurt, okay. Give me PC. Okay, let's make it.
Alright. Let's do it.
We gotta throw away that. Okay.
Okay, we're going to start with these parts here.
So,
you want to take them, give them a close-up with the RAM?
We got the RAMs. Looks really epic on the back. It's really hard to... You can see
Pull
it.
back a little bit.
Like that.
There you go.
That's the back.
There's the processor.
That's like the
GPU,
GPU, I think.
No, that's the CPU.
The CPU.
Go show them. Put it up towards the camera.
This is the CPU.
And here's your motherboard.
That's the GPU.
Okay, and there's the GPU. Alright, and there's your motherboard.
Motherboard, not heavy at all.
And then the hard drive.
Hard drive.
Solid state hard drive.
Some random RGB stuff.
Some tools. Okay.
The big fat case, which is, I'm not putting on camera yet because it's a surprise. It's really big. So just open that up. So, and just open it up. Let's open it up.
Alright, hold on. We gotta cut this right here.
Can I cut it?
I should have had my pocket.
Yo, can I cut it?
Well, I'll
never
let
mind.
you cut the next one.
Never.
Go ahead and open it up. Be careful.
Holy cow.
Okay, so we're going to pull this out of here.
Okay, carefully.
Carefully.
Don't judge me if I'm doing this wrong because this is actually my first time making a gaming PC.
Alright, and there's our other parts. Okay, we're going to put it on top of this. And we're going to put things together on top of this here.
I don't know how to...
Here, let me get here. Be careful with that. Okay, you got it. Now pull that out. Set it on top of here.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, time to put the CPU in.
Okay, let's see.
Can I cut it?
Yep, go ahead and cut that right there. It's not very sharp, so it's not going to cut really easy. Be careful. Yeah, that's not working too good. Here, let's try something else.
Wait a minute.
You're going to hurt me. Hold on. Let's try one of these screwdrivers right here. Try that.
I'm going to try the screwdriver.
Look, flying scissors. Don't do that at home.
Please do not.
Whoa, that's sketchy too. Here.
That
go like.
Why are the tools in this?
Let me just do it.
Why are the tools in this set so useless?
Alright, you can open it.
Why are these things so useless? Why are the things in this tool set so dumb and useless?
Well, they're not useless, but...
Some of them are. Like that.
Well, you're not supposed to be cutting stuff with the screwdriver usually.
That
Okay.
box opener.
So just go like this.
Like that box opener is complete trash. Please do not buy that. It's complete trash.
Okay, there's the processor itself. This is the fan. Okay, be careful with that.
Oh, it's actually cramped.
I know, you gotta be really careful with this stuff because it has all kinds of little fine pins on it. And if they get bent, then we're in trouble. Okay. So here, see this? See the little triangle there?
Yeah, I see a triangle.
Okay, you gotta match that triangle up on here. Do you see where it's at? Where's it? Point to me where it's at. No.
Right here.
Nope. That looks like the triangle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm colorblind.
So you're gonna.
Oh no! I think that's good.
Alright, we gotta take a quick break.
Okay, we're back.
Alright, we're back.
That was pretty chaotic.
Big mishap here. I was telling Robert to be careful with this processor.
And then
because these little pins can bend, and then I dropped it and bent up a bunch of pins. So took me a while with some tweezers, we got it back together.
So can I put it in?
So I'm gonna kind of set it there for you, and then I'll let you hold on. Don't press on it. I'm gonna have to kind of set it in there, buddy. I'll kind of jiggle it around just so it fits down in there. Not yet. Don't do that part yet. Okay, now you can put the lever down. Did it click in place?
It clicked.
All right.
Okay, what should we put in next?
So now we put in the RAM.
Yay. Wait, it's already open.
So we're gonna open these up like this. I'm gonna let you try to press these in, but it's kind of tough to press those in sometimes. So we'll see if you can do it. So go ahead and open that up. Got it? There you go. Okay. So make sure you see the notch right there. Make sure, is that lined up? I think it is. So you're gonna slide that in there. Now take your thumbs like this. Press on each side. Nope. You gotta press down, bud. So here, get up, stand up. Take both your thumbs and press.
Just press.
Yep. Now press down that. There you go.
It's hard.
Yeah, see, they're a little tough.
Yeah.
And then we put the other one, so we're
We need
going
a
in
RAM.
slots 1 and 2 right there.
We need another RAM. If we really wanted to, we could have bought another pack.
Yeah, you can add more. We could add more later to make it faster right now.
Oh gosh, that was dangerous.
Okay,
Wait a minute, turn it sideways so the viewers can see.
Okay, so you're going in right
Wait,
there.
that's not,
There you go.
That's not right, see?
No, we skip one. We go one. These are the two we put it in. Push. Got it?
I'm pushing!
There we go.
Okay, that's good.
They're in
What
place.
should we put in next?
Now, we should have probably put the fan on first.
Okay, let's just put the fan
now,
on.
Now we put the processor fan on here. So,
Uh-oh.
Orion has the stuff, right? Let's see if we can more here. Okay, I think we're okay. Alright, so we're going to put this fan on here.
Okay.
So I think we need to take these off.
Can I unscrew? Can I do
Yeah,
it?
let me get them started. They're kind of tough.
Okay, I want to do it. Okay.
Okay, take those out. Okay, that should be all the way out.
You can rip that out in a second, okay?
Okay. Now do the other one. Let me see those screws. Not all the way out yet. There you go.
Let's take it. Okay.
Alright, the other one.
Do hashtag oof if you saw us break the CPU. Well, oh, hashtag oof in the comments. Not on Discord.
where it says CPU fan.
Stab it in there.
See how it's a notch and everything? See, look at this. See how it's cut out right there?
Oh, let me do that.
So it goes
Let me
like
do
that.
it. Let me do
Okay.
it. Let me do it, bro.
Yep. We'll clean it up somehow later, make it look a little cleaner.
There's pump fan 1, which I have no idea what that is. And what do we put in next?
Okay, now we're going to put in the hard drive.
Hard drive. Hard drive.
Go ahead and open that up.
This is not. By the way, if you're. Guess what? Is this a building video or an unboxing video? Choose. Do hashtag unboxing or hashtag building. Okay? And I don't know how to open this thing. Oh, that's how you're supposed to open it.
Let me see.
Supposed to open it really weird from the side.
Oh, from the side, yeah.
Let's peeling off some tape. Okay, guys, if you ever get stuck on that, if you're trying to make this, open it from, look at the side. You actually have to open it from the side, which is really weird. Oh, yeah, that makes more sense. It makes it way easier to pull out, that's why. So this is the memory, right?
No, that's the hard drive.
Also known as memory.
No, this is the memory. I guess the hard drive is kind of considered as memory.
Yeah.
Okay, so that goes right here.
Just knock it in there. Wait a minute.
See where the notch is right there? You're going to slide this in here like that.
What about this? What about...
No, that's going to be for the video card.
Just pull it.
Like this. There we go. Okay.
This is my first time doing it, so don't judge me.
Okay, so you're going to screw these two little screws in.
Okay.
Go ahead and start that one.
Okay.
Okay, hold on here, get it lined up.
Get it lined up. We're free Robux. E. This way?
Yep.
Bing,
Okay.
bing, 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 bing.
Don't be in a hurry with it.
Bing, 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 bing.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. No, that's tight. That's tight. Easy, buddy.
Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Yeep.
Okay, turn that one in there. Okay. Okay, so we're done with this part for a second. Set it right
Seriously?
here.
I gotta go get that.
Get the big tower. Okay, here's your fancy tower.
You just gotta rip off all that plastic. You just gotta rip off that plastic, right?
Okay, yeah, we'll do that when we're done.
Can I rip off the shipping plastic?
I wouldn't do it yet. I'd wait till we get it all put into place. Unscrew those.
And then I can rip off all the shipping plastic.
Alright, go ahead. Ship it up. Pull it off.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay, be careful. It's a piece of glass.
That's tempered glass.
Yep. Okay.
A hit with a sledgehammer doesn't go down. Hit with a hammer, one swing hits it. Goes down.
Going down.
Why did I do that? so sorry, guys. If you missed anything, type hashtag.
Did it turn off on us?
Yeah, a little second ago. So guess what, guys? If it turned off on you, do hashtag bruh in the comments, okay?
Okay, everybody open
We said
this
we're
one
gonna
up.
buy a better camera. Hey guys, today this is part 2 of the video. This is a clip of after it. So this is the PC. Very epic. Lol. Changes colors. Actually, I'm gonna slow that down for you. So it can be red. It can be blue. It can be green. It can be purple. It can be orange. It can. I'm colorblind. I think that's why. Comment down below what that color is. Okay, and then that's rainbow. So yeah, yeah. So I'm not gonna be showing you gameplay. I might do that in another clip. So see ya. Make sure to watch all my other videos and sub. Thank you. So bye.